Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get access to Threads beta feature. So a lot of you guys or some of you guys doesn't know about the Threads beta, so it's actually so easy to get access to it or to the features of the beta of Threads. So what I want you to do is to go into your Play Store or App Store. It depends on which phone you have. Either you are working with the iOS system or Android. So let's go. For me, I will just go into Play Store, and right here what I want you to do, guys, is to look for Threads. So let's go into the search bar and type Threads. Okay, so we'll go with Threads and then we'll see the details, and right here, as you can see, you can scroll down here, you can see the join beta option, and right here you can tap just on join, and it says because features are in development, beta versions may be installable. So I agree, and then I will go into join. Alright, and yeah, I'm on the Threads beta. So once you will get back to your Threads, you will work with the beta version, and you may face some problems with the beta because it's not the official one. Alright, so that's how you can get the Threads beta, and that's how to get access to Threads beta features. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.